Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are Softtrix, a digital marketing agency serving the clients across the globe for the last 15 years. In today's case study, we are going to talk about one of our client, First Aid Distributions, who came to us after being unhappy with the results from their previous agency. They found us through one of our YouTube case studies and they decided to reach out. Even though they had been running the Google Ads campaign for a while, they were not seeing the kind of growth they wanted. So what went wrong with their Google AdWords account? Why they were not getting the results they have expected, and how did we help them turn things around? So let's take a closer look. Before we got involved, our client was working with another agency. They were not getting the growth they had been promised. They had campaigns running and a product feed set up, but the things were just not improving. The big problem came when they realized their Google Merchant Center account was suspended and they did not even know about it at first. This was a major issue because it meant their products were not showing up the ads and they could not reach the right customers. We have stepped in right away and worked to unsuspend their Google Merchant Center account. We also made sure their product feed was ready and optimized so it could be displayed in the ads. Our team looked closely at their campaigns and found a few things that could be improved. The previous agency had not done a great job targeting the right audience or using the right bidding strategies, so their ads were not reaching the right people. This led to wasted spending and the poor results. So what did we do differently? First, we have restructured their Google AdWords campaign to make sure we are targeting the right audience at the right time. We dug into the data, refined the audience segments and made sure the ads reached the people who were most likely to buy. We also used a mix of standard shopping campaigns and the PMAX campaign, which helped find and target the best customers across all Google channels. This approach helped us to reach more people and improve their return on investment. We also found that their website checkout process was a bit more complicated. Customers had to go through the multiple pages to complete their purchase, which made the things confusing and led to abandoned carts. To fix this issue, we have simplified the checkout process, allowing the customers to reach from the same page they were on, and made it easier for the customers to buy, leading to more conversions. But we didn't stop there. We also set up a remarketing campaign to target people who had visited the website but did not do anything. By showing the ads to these potential customers, we were able to bring them back and encourage them to complete their purchase. On top of that, our team created the custom banners and the ads that were designed specifically for the First Aid Distributions. The previous agency used a generic creative, but we wanted to make sure the ads stood out and aligned with the brand. These new creatives helped boost the engagement and drive more traffic to the website. We also made sure to keep the client informed with the clear, easy to understand weekly and the monthly reports. This transparency helped build the trust and showed them exactly how their campaigns were performing. So now let's talk about the results. After making these optimizations, First Aid Distribution saw a big improvement. Their monthly sales went up to 108,000 and then the ROAS increased to 17. This was the kind of success they had been hoping for when they have first reached out to us. By fixing their Google AdWords, solving the Merchant Center issue and improving their website and running the remarketing campaign, we were able to achieve great results. So what went wrong with their previous agency? There were a few key issues. They did not target the audience well. Their tracking and reporting were off and the website was poor. These mistakes led to missed opportunities, but by focusing on the details, optimizing the whole customer journey and providing the ongoing support, we have turned things around. For those of you watching, have you ever worked with an agency but felt like you were not getting the results you wanted? Have you seen the issues like poor targeting, lack of transparency or a confusing checkout process? If so, it might be time to rethink your campaign strategy. That's where we come into helping businesses like first aid distribution get the result they deserve. So at the end of the day, successful campaigns are about understanding your audience, improving the customer experience, and always refining your strategy. That's what we did, and the result speaks for themselves. Stay tuned for more case studies and tips on how to take your Google AdWords campaign to the next level. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful insights.